Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Baqara, الذين يأكلون الربا لا يقومون إلا كما يقوم الذي يتخبطه الشيطان من المس ذلك بأنهم قالوا إنما البيع مثل الربا وأحل الله البيع وحرم الربا فمن جاءه موعظة من ربه فانتهى فله ما سلف وأمره إلى الله ومن عاد فأولئك أصحاب النار هم فيها خالدون. Those who consume riba or interest will not stand on the day of judgment but as him whom shaitan touched and made him insane or mad. That is because they say trade is just like riba or interest, but Allah has permitted trading and forbids interest or riba. So whoever take this advice from his Rabb and he refrains from taking riba interest, then he may keep his past gains or profits and his matter is with Allah for judgment. But those who revert back to interest are companions of the hellfire where they will live forever. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has forbidden the interest in four stages, and this ayah which we are studying is the final stage where the interest has made completely haram, and details are given as well. What is interest? If somebody gives someone $10 and takes back $12, these extra $2 that he takes is interest and it is haram, absolutely haram. But if somebody buys a cloth for $10 and sell it to someone else for $12, these extra $2 is the profit of the trade, which is halal. $10 equal to $10, and this equality must be kept. However, the value of the cloth is subjective to different people. The person who is selling the clothes for $12, he has more utility for the money of $12. But the one who is buying the clothes for $12, he has more utility for the clothes. So he is buying that. So in this, the equality cannot be maintained. And this is the reason that Allah has kept trade halal and interest haram. Now, if somebody understands that, that's good. If somebody does not understand that, it will not make halal haram and haram halal. So those people who say that haram and halal does not matter and they want to take interest, they will wake up in the day of judgment like a man who has been touched and made insane by shaitan, by the evils. So in the world also, these people are never satisfied. They are always worried about the wealth and they are kind of crazy in the love of wealth. So they may have lots of money, but they will be unsatisfied and they will be trying to satisfy themselves with haram pleasures like sexual pleasures or music and whatnot, but they will never get peace in their hearts. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that their condition is like this because they made haram things halal for them. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the creator. He can make things halal or haram because he knows that what is good for us and what is not good for us. So he has made interest absolutely haram and he has made the trade halal. Also, the trade satisfies the need of two people. However, the interest is satisfying only the love of wealth for the one who is giving money on interest, and the one who is taking money of the interest, he is helpless and he is in a very bad situation. The one who understands that interest is absolutely haram, so whatever has happened in the past, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will likely forgive him if he repents sincerely, but it is on Allah. But if somebody understands that interest is haram and still he is dealing in interest, then for those will always live in the hellfire. Allah, oh Allah, save us from the hellfire and save us from all sins that end up in hellfire. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.